थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल दी स्पॉन्सर्स. अगर आप लोग नहीं होते डेफिनेटली आज ये OPL सीजन 2 का सक्सेस नहीं होता. कैन वी हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल दी स्पॉन्सर आउट हियर एवरीबॉडी. थैंक यू. सो लेट्स बिगिन नाउ.
I would like to thank all the sponsors from the bottom of my heart, starting from RMTPL, Arin और जितने भी सारे नाम है सबके नाम अभी बार बार नहीं लूँगा क्योंकि मैंने भी इनफ लिया है. And thank you everyone from the bottom of the heart. Yes, thank you भाई. So now we'll start with the award presentation ceremony and we'll start with the third prize. जो third champion, we are not saying that it is a कोई तरह के runner up, it's a third champion position that we are announcing and that goes to the team who has been the fighter of the day. सुबह से fight कर रहे हैं. Team Tumor Tamers led by the able Dr. Sudhanshu, Dr. Michelle Parekh, Tumor Tamers. I am requesting all the team to come on the stage and I would request Dr. Suraj Baghel sir to give away the third position. All the team members will receive the medals for the third champion position, starting with Dr. Rajendra Funde. 3 cheers for all the beautiful players. Sir, एक मिनट मुझे ऐसे टर्न हो जाओ, टर्न होके. हाँ. Yes. आपका नाम? Dr. आकाश. नाम बताते जाओ सर. Dr. अभिषेक. ये रनर पोजीशन का मिल गया था गलती से. देखो हम कितने ट्रांसपेरेंट और ऑनेस्ट है सारे ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन. देखिए नजारा. वापस से उन्होंने खुद से होके बताया कि ये रनर अप है. तो यस, 3 cheers for team Tumor Tamers for being the third champions. Yes, डॉक्टर अभिषेक. हाँ, और सर नाम बताइए. डॉक्टर दीपक, डॉक्टर आलोक, डॉक्टर अंकित, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र फुंदे सर, डॉक्टर अभिषेक जारोली. आप लोग पिच की तरफ जा सकते हो, ट्रॉफी के साथ फोटोज वीडियोस वगैरह ले सकते हो. ठीक है. यस. Dr. Sudhanshu Vyas, the captain. I would like Sudhanshu sir to say a few words of this overall experience.
Hi, it was a very wonderfully organized, a very well managed program. The anchor, Dr. Yopa, yourself, Dr. Suraj Baghel sir, the entire team, Vasai Virar, the sponsors, everybody. It was such a well planned thing that we did not even feel an inch of tiredness or boredom or anything. Our energy level was high from morning till now. And to top it up, we have won the 3rd place. So we are excited to come back next year and hopefully beat you.
Wow, thank you so much. That's the Jazba. Wohi spirit chahiye sir hame. Thank you so much. We'll definitely take this cricketing experience to the next level. Now I would like to call upon stage the runner-up team. And also I would like to call on stage the owner of the team who's here, who's blessed us, Dr. Prashant Kamble sir, KM Fracture Fighters. 3 cheers for team KM Fracture Fighters. Excellent display. So first team to come in the morning. इन्होंने KM की 24 to 36 to 48 hours की कंटिन्यूस रेसिडेंसी नॉन स्टॉप बिना सोए ये लोग काम करते हैं और उन्होंने उस पर प्रैक्टिस करी और ये लोग आए और यहाँ पे इतना एक्सीलेंट परफॉर्म दिया है. डॉक्टर नॉमन,
Many congratulations. Can we have a round of applause? Come on, everyone.
Dr. Ashish, Dr. Kanav, Dr. Hunaid Haider, Dr. Pujit, Dr. Nihar, Dr. Pulli, Dr. Nahata and Dr. Gagandeep, and our team owner Dr. Prashant Kamble.
तालियां, come on.
दोनों तरफ इक्वल. यस, excellent display of cricket, dedication, commitment. Every year KM आते हैं तो एक स्पेशल अटैचमेंट होती है और KM हमेशा पूरा जज्बे के साथ फाइट करता है और एक्सीलेंट. आई होप कि नेक्स्ट ईयर आप लोग चैंपियंस रहे और ज्यादा अच्छी तरीके से परफॉर्म करें. We like ask Dr. Prashant sir to give the runner-up medals to all the doctors, starting with Dr. Norman, Mohammed Norman, Dr. Nihar, Dr. Kanav, Dr. Ashish. आशीष डॉक्टर आज बहुत पॉपुलर है. Dr. Pujit, Dr. Rahul Pulli, the opening batsman. All the way from the heart of the Punjab, Dr. Gagandeep, Dr. Tejas, Dr. Hunaid Haider, and the champion leader Dr. Rahul Nahata. One man army and one medal to Dr. Prashant Kamble for making it a success. एक टीम फोटो सर with the trophy.
So finally we begin. The moment is here and now.
I would request Dr. Prashant Kamble sir to come on stage and give the man of the match award of the final. It was an excellent final. The player of the match for the final is unexpected champion Dr. Saurabh Ahir for taking 5 wickets in 1 over.
Many congratulations. तालियां, come on.
5 ओवर के बॉक्स क्रिकेट में 1 ओवर में 5 विकेट. So 5 wickets in an over, unprecedented record है. I think ये बॉक्स क्रिकेट का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है. 1 ओवर में 5 विकेट in a final, that too. And award watch with from Glennon Healthcare. How was your experience, Saurabh sir? आते ही डायरेक्टली आपने संजू सैमसन की तरह सेमीफाइनल फाइनल खेला. He was busy in the morning.
Yeah, it was a great experience because of the case in the morning, not able to attend the initial matches. But yeah, glad to be the part of the semi-final and the final, and we won it.
Great performance.
Many congratulations.
And the fighter of the match is Dr. Nihar. Dr. Nihar, KM Fracture Fighters से Dr. Nihar is the fighter of the match for his batting performance. Dr. Nihar, fighter of the match, will receive the glasses from RMTPL.
Can we have a round of applause? Come on, everyone. For all the winners and achievers out here.
So next is the coveted Best Batsman Award. And the best batsman of the day is Dr. Suraj Baghel, the only batsman to score 100 runs, 112 runs at an average of 112 at a strike rate of 196. Dr. Suraj Baghel, I would request Madam to give away the award to the best batsman. Yes. डॉक्टर महेंद्र पाल, डॉक्टर राहुल नाहता, वेरी क्लोज बैट्समैन के लिए बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग की है. सेकेंड वॉज डॉक्टर महेंद्र पाल 65 रन्स, डॉक्टर राहुल नाहता 62 रन्स. बेस्ट बॉलर, एनी गेसेस? बेस्ट बॉलर है भाई केएम से है, गेस करो केएम टीम बेस्ट बॉलर. Kanao and Huned Haider both have got 7 wickets, but Kanao has beat him on the economy. So Kanao is the best bowler. Dr. Kanao from KEM, I would request Prashant Kamble sir to give away the award to the best bowler. Dr. Kanao from KEM Fracture Fighters. Close contenders, Dr. Huned Haider, Dr. Jahangir, 5 wickets from Science Knight Riders. Dr. Vivek Nayak, 4 wickets. So, best fielder award, Dr. Kishan है बोरीवली ब्लास्टर्स से कंटेंडर. डॉक्टर महेंद्र पाल 2 catches, डॉक्टर राहुल नाथा 2 catches, but the award goes to Dr. Saurabh Ahir, best fielder. I would request Baghel sir to give away the award of the best fielder. Best fielder Dr. Saurabh Ahir. Now the final award of the evening, man of the series. Any guesses? कोई guesses man of the series? Dr. Rahul Natha, man of the series. Excellent display, attacking, batting. फाइनल छोड़ के एक भी मैच में उन्होंने कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी. जस्ट फाइनली वाज अनफॉर्चुनेट. सो एक्सीलेंट डिस्प्ले एंड आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ डॉक्टर बघेल. एक दावेदार कंटेंडर थे डॉक्टर बघेल सर, बट ही डिसाइडेड टू गिव अवे द अवार्ड टू डॉक्टर राहुल नाथा फॉर शोइंग एक्सीलेंट डिस्प्ले ऑफ क्रिकेटिंग एंड स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप. योर एक्सपीरियंस सर?
It was a nice feeling. I got to play after a very long time. Cricket as such, we are not able to play in KM or in JJ. So it was a very good experience, all in all. But next time I would like to have a overarm or a tough, taki there would be sixes over there.
Sure sir, sure. We'll look into it and look into the demands. Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Rahul Nahata. And I would request, madam, we have a special guest over here who's an actor by profession. And so we have also invited him. We have got a celebrity with us amongst us to give away the final award, along with our celebrity, Dr. Prashant Kamble sir, because they are one of the backbones. And madam will introduce the other celebrity. So I will first request Dr. Prashant sir to join the stage to give away the Champions Trophy, and madam will now take over.
So before I really invite him on stage, first of all, so he is a very, very, very famous, very popular actor in Gujarat. और बहुत recently जिसके बारे में he will only tell, उनकी एक बहुत ही recently movie आई थी which is actually based on suicide awareness. So I would like to invite on stage पीयूष खंडेलवाल. प्लीज जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत किया जाए. एंड ही इज ऑल्सो ब्रदर टू मी, मेरा भाई भी है. तो पीयूष, यू से 2 words अबाउट योर मूवी.
मैंने ऐसे तो बहुत सारी मूवीज़ की हुई है. मैंने एक आत्मनिर्भर मूवीज़ भी की थी जो नरेंद्र मोदी का मतलब बनाई गई थी. मतलब कि हम इंडिया में चीज़ें बनाए, बाहर से हम ना लें, उसके लिए हमने एक सीरीज़ बनाई थी. और रिसेंटली मैंने कॉल 104 मूवी बनाई जो गुजरात के चीफ मिनिस्टर ने ही प्रोड्यूस की थी. मतलब कॉल 104 में ऐसा है कि गुजरात की हेल्पलाइन नंबर है. मतलब कि लोग सुसाइड कर रहे हैं, फिनेंशियल सिक है, तो ये नंबर पर अगर डायल करते हैं तो आपको मतलब कुछ ऐसे लिमिट दी जाती है कि जिससे आपका सोल्यूशन आए. उस बेस्ड मूवी बनी थी तो, और उसका काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स भी था. और थैंक यू फॉर आप लोगों ने मुझे इनवाइट किया उसके लिए. एंड थैंक यू प्रशांत सर, एंड थैंक यू योगेश सर.
Now, last but not the least, I would like to call the one brain behind this entire OPL, जिस शक्ति के बिना ये सब कुछ possible नहीं था. And the brain, the imagination, the person who put my imagination into reality and into all the things that we can see. Logos से लेके everything, the designing, the brand expert that we call. I am so pleased to have with us the founder of Book Your Brands, Mr. Arpit Lalani sir. Please join us. So he is the one sir. आपका जितना भी हार्डवर्क हो रहा है सर के इमेजिनेशन और थॉट्स प्रोसेस की वजह से ये सब आप देख रहे हो. द क्रिएटिविटी, the logos, the beautiful things that he and his team has designed, and everything would not have been possible without the brain behind this event. I would like Arpit sir to share a few words.
Thank you, Yogesh sir. I think idea and mastermind is obviously Dr. Yopa. And I'm sure he talks very high about Suraj Baghel sir as well. The concept that he carries, he always wanted to give a very unique and a very different approach to the entire event. Like I think even ma'am did narrate this, that okay, she enjoyed this entire event very well. So I think we tried putting across everything on the social media which could relate with the current trend. So I think whatever you're seeing here around is something that we have done with the current trend across, right? So I think, yeah, all thanks to the entire OPL team, and thank you for giving us an opportunity, Dr. Yopa. Always thankful for this opportunity. Thank you so much, guys.
I would request all the participating doctors to share their Insta IDs on our common group, so that everybody can have a glimpses of their own performances, videos. आपको सर ने मुझे कमिट किया कि definitely he will give a guidance and knowledge awareness about how it is important to be active on the social media, being orthopods of this generation. So he is really an expert in this field, and I would like कि अगर सब लोग अपना Insta ID share करेंगे तो collaboration से बहुत सारी चीज़ें आगे बढ़ेंगी. And now I would like to take this opportunity to give away the winners.
I know it's you, right? So yeah. So finally, I was really waiting कि मैं कब इनके हाथ से mic छीन लूँ. I really wanted to snatch this mic, but I did not knew that he's actually going to give me such a huge opportunity to really announce the winners of OPL Season 2. Are you all ready? Can we make some noise? Come on. All right. जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है, हम सभी ने already predict कर लिया था, and the winners are already here. So let's make some noise. So many congratulations to Yogesh and Dr. Suraj and AI Arthroplasty Indians. So they are the OPL Season 2 Cup winner. Many congratulations. Can we have the cup, please? Talia.
DJ,
All the players, come on.
DJ, bravo, DJ.
Season 2.
Champion, everybody.
फ्रंट पे नहीं
पीछे से मेडल्स है, विनर मेडल्स 1 by 1.
Season 2.
Michael
And Dr. Yogesh, come on, let's make some noise. Come on. अरे तालियां तालियां तालियां. Semi-final का man of the match is left and the winner is आइए राहुल नाहता, मैन ऑफ द मैच ऑफ सेमीफाइनल्स. कम ऑन तालियां. मयूर रबाड़िया, मैन ऑफ द मैच. मयूर, he is the fighter of the match. He is not present here currently.
ये लोग निकल सकते थे बट आपके दोस्त का नाम क्या है? हाँ, डॉक्टर हुनैद हैदर ने सोचा कि एक चीज़ बताइए कि देखो ये सेमीफाइनल का मिला नहीं अपने को मैन ऑफ द मैच, तो वो एक चीज़ सिखाती है कि दुनिया में अगर है ना आप पूछोगे नहीं ना, इफ़ यू नेवर आस्क द आंसर इज ऑलवेज नो. अगर आप पूछोगे ही नहीं तो उसका मतलब नहीं है. अगर ये पूछते नहीं तो ऐसे भी चले जाते. उन्होंने पूछा, तुरंत हमारा सेलिब्रेशन रुका के हमने मैन ऑफ द मैच दे दिया. सो दैट इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंसी दैट OPL वांट्स टू डू. एंड द लेसन इज कि भाई जो भी है, आपको अगर कुछ मन में है, दिल में है तो बोल दो. हिचकिचाओ मत, सोचो मत, बाद में मौका नहीं मिलेगा.
Okay, and the moment is here and now he really is
एक
copying
लास्ट
me
स्पेशल
actually.
मैडम was one लास्ट लाइन. इंस्टा के ऊपर एक सरप्राइज स्पेशल फ्रॉम बुक योर ब्रांड्स अभी अर्पित रानी सर ने अनाउंस किया है. ऑल द पार्टिसिपेटिंग डॉक्टर्स ऑफ OPL को BYB की तरफ से एक स्पेशल गिफ्ट मिलेगा. आपको सिर्फ इंस्टा आईडी शेयर करना है. दे विल शेयर यू द बेनिफिट्स दैट ही इज गोइंग टू शेयर. सो प्लीज पुट अप द इंस्टा आईडीज ऑन द ग्रुप. थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay, the moment is here and now. Are we all ready for the trophy? And I would have to do the honors. I would like to call Prashant sir, please. Talia, Talia, come on, let's make some noise. So let's call for this trophy now. Finally. Go! One and go! Talia, 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 Everyone, तालियां एक बार please. तालियां तो बजा दीजिए, come on. So, have a good evening ahead. This is Purnima Singh signing off. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the opportunity, Yogesh ji. Thank you.
So thank you everyone. I want to thank all the players from the bottom of the heart. सारे जो orthopedic surgeons हैं जिन्होंने IPL की तरह ये OPL में participate किया, उन सब के लिए I want to thank them, all of them from the bottom of the heart. उनके बिना हो नहीं सकता था. Also want to thank all the sponsors for making this event a success. Dr. Suraj Baghel sir, Dr. Prashant Kamble sir, Mr. Arpit Lalani sir for being the backbone available 24/7. रात को भी फोन करके पूछ रहा हो तो अवेलेबल है. प्रीति मैडम एंड द टीम, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. ऑल्सो द कंट्रीब्यूशंस फ्रॉम राहुल यादव, शुभम मिश्रा, सूर्य कुमार यादव, सूर्य कुमार त्रिपाठी, सतीश, इन लोगों ने भी ग्राउंड मैनेजमेंट, डॉक्टर सचिन पाटिल, दे हेल्प मी इन बिल्डिंग दिस एंटायर सेटअप. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आप लोग सब, everyone, each and every one of you for watching, for coming and being a part of this huge OPL, and we hope कि अगले साल ये बड़ा और बेहतर और इससे भी बड़ा हो. And also want to thank our anchor Purnima ma'am for spending the entire day, morning 9 बजे से यहाँ पे पहुँचे और पूरी तरह से उन्होंने energetically performance को appreciate करते रहे, and she gave a really good time to all of us. So thank you so much everyone from the bottom of the heart. और this is the official conclusion of OPL Season 2, and really excited for the upcoming OPL Season 3 जिसको हम bigger and better लेके जाएंगे. Once again thanking all the sponsors, RMTPL, Areen, and Lead Vedic Oil, Merrill, Biodu 3, Tralixa, VR Ortho, Jupiter Biolabs, Aspect Pharma, Anucaldi, Arus Healthcare, Nutragenics, Trinairos, Metocal Max, and Aspect Pharma, BioD3 Max, Kians Biotech, Overseas Healthcare, and Solco, Solupers, Glenon Healthcare, and so many of them. If I miss any of them, so please forgive, but thank you everyone for being there and making this event a huge success. This is Dr. Yogesh Patil signing off. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you everyone.